Well, Ace to Nine's about to leave Mayrhofen, possibly picking up a couple of hours, and just by luck, that's the Zillertaller steam train again, folks. So you lovers of the steam train, oh go on, better than this spot there. Look at that, cracking big engine that one. Choo choo, all the way to Yenmark. The tourists on board. Takes me back to old Casey Jones, steaming in a rolling. Like I say folks, heading home today for a good old week in Mayrhofen. 4 fantastic days, sunshine, got me down to the pool. One day I went for a trip to Salzburg, nice trip. Up the cable cars, up to that guest house there. Around here, I not see it, a wee chapel way up the hill. Told you about it yesterday. So all in all, had a pretty good trip. If you fancy coming over here, I certainly recommend it. If you're into the local music, great music every night of the week. Guestbrook Hotel at the top of the village. Get yourselves over here. It's a great place to come. So, maybe take a video down at Innsbruck way and we get dropped off for the plane. Till then,